In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Turtle Beach headset one side not working. The first thing that you want to do is to simply check for physical damages. So head over to your cables right here and head over to your audio jacks. From there, you then want to clean your audio port right here, making sure that there are no debris or no dust, making sure that we have a secure connection with our audio jack right here. You also want to check for damages once more, making sure that we have a secure connection. Now, right after that, you then want to try to connect your device into another computer or console, making sure that the problem is not occurring on our drivers from a specific computer or console. From there, you then want to try to plug it into another port, maybe a USB port, an audio port. You can just try it out, making sure that the problem doesn't come with a specific USB port. Right after, you then want to simply connect the customer support from Turtle Beach, because this means that we have a physical problem or a headset problem not within our control. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.